Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best garden playhouses available on the market, the Little Tikes Activity Garden Playhouse. Designed for babies, infants, and toddlers, this playhouse promises to be a hub of fun and developmental activities. Let's explore why it's such a hit among parents. The Little Tikes Activity Garden Playhouse is not just a playhouse. It's an interactive wonderland for children aged 6 months to 3 years. It's packed with features that stimulate curiosity and imagination. From interactive sounds to engaging games, this playhouse offers a variety of activities that grow with your child. It easily converts from a closed play center to an open, two-sided play center, adapting as your child grows. The removable play panel includes a bead tumbler, a mirror, spinning gears, and musical buttons that introduce your child to different sounds and textures. Features like window shutters for peek-a-boo, a window planter for ball drop play, and a mailbox for pretend play enhance the fun and learning experience. Colored chimes and buttons on the piano panel allow your child to create music, fostering early musical exploration. Little Tikes is known for its durable and safe products, ensuring peace of mind for parents. It's not just about play, it's about learning and development through play. In conclusion, the Little Tikes Activity Garden Playhouse stands out as an exceptional choice for parents looking to enrich their child's playtime with educational and interactive features. Whether it's the convertible design, the engaging activities, or the durable construction, this playhouse ticks all the boxes for creating a fun and stimulating environment for young children. That wraps up our review of the Little Tikes Activity Garden Playhouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.